is no arguing that despite spending vastly more money on healthcare in this country, we have created the sickest people that the world has ever known. Frankly, our disease rates are appalling. We have more people dying from diseases related to overfeeding than from hunger. And we've got a generation of kids that's slated to die at an earlier age than their parents. In addition to all that, our not healthcare system, but sick care system has created the largest line item on the entire federal government budget, the Department of Health and Human Services. Now, if you know anything about the fiscal health of our nation, then you know we have to do better in that area, and fast. Now that RFK Jr. has taken over as Secretary of HHS, he is working on correcting the culture that has normalized the type of illness rates that the American people are expressing and that are causing us such problems. If we were healthier as a whole, and we had more independence from the medical system, then we could eliminate a large chunk of what taxpayers put into that Department of Health and Human Services. So the MAHA report has shown how all chronic disease is created by lifestyle choices and the environments that we live in. So finally, we can be honest about how we are going to end chronic disease, and that is to change our habits and change our environments in order to create a wellness lifestyle. That's it, folks. That is the answer that has been hidden from us for decades, but it is in the light now, and there is no denying it. We also have to teach our children to do the same thing. See, it's not their responsibility to learn how to do this. It's your responsibility to teach them how to do this. Someone should have taught you way back when you were a kid. So we're going to correct that knowledge gap now so that your kids can live with the birthright of the knowledge of how to create a wellness lifestyle so that they can remain healthy. Please don't fall into the trap of blaming yourself. Most of the bad choices and environmental toxicity, it's not your fault. You're just living the standard American lifestyle that was modeled for you. That probably means no exercise, poor nutrition, constant stream of negative programming, and toxic chemicals everywhere. Because no one can be healthy in that type of environment, we've all become unwell to some degree. And as the population becomes more and more sick, we've been forced to outsource our health concerns to the emergency medical system. Please don't get me wrong. I'm not bashing medicine. I love medicine. Medicine's amazing, especially at heroic and life-saving interventions. I'm a chiropractor, and I tell my patients, if I'm in a car accident, don't take me to my chiropractor. Take me to the hospital. If I have an infection and need an antibiotic to save my life, then let's go. But we cannot treat medicine as any type of maintenance and prevention strategy. Needing medical interventions is not normal and should be avoided if possible. It's like calling the fire department. Medical errors and accidents, one of the leading causes of death in this country. Your odds are not good in that system, so you need to stay out of it unless you absolutely need to. And that's the goal, is not needing the medical system by taking your own health on as your own responsibility. We also have to understand that while our health problems are mostly not our own fault, they are of our own creation, and fixing them is up to us. But luckily, your body is designed to do exactly that if we can give it an environment where healing is possible. So that's the first step towards a wellness journey. It's understanding how we got here so that we can take bold action and strike off in a new direction. I'm glad you're with me on this journey. And I'm going to see you back here in the next video where we're going to get right into the wellness and prevention paradigm.